akin, that is the thinking process. My other camera video stops, and then now I am creating another camera video. I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnahi Jamentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnahi Quezon the First. The kabit a while ago is saying letter P, letter A, letter L, letter I, letter T. Kabit, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. And then now, myself is, the right eye is on thinking process to, uh, about toying of what I am saying, even though my saying is seriousness. That is why this is what I write in here. My phone number, something such that. My back of the number on the back of my phone. I am not bobo. Why? Because I am doing camera video and then I am serious. The kabit is so pervert. I am 29-year-old already that I need a baby. Am I being understood ba? Lover ko Alex ko since high school. I am honest when it comes onto my statements in here. All my camera video is valuable. The person that will be dead is killing me. So I am now on the myself vibes during year 2018. On surroundings, myself is natural, such as being a person. Enemy, year 2018, none. But myself is being put on black magic. I not know why. Government, year 2018, searching on Google search. Myself is being put on count the department count, and then about the budget, billion is being emphasized. I not know the reason. So that is year 2018. Truthfulness is what I say. I not know anything on surroundings, even the society. I not know. What I just know year 2018 is I am on leave of absence, and then work, and then school about accountancy. About the government department, there is a specific person on my talking wants myself to write about government department, about law, and then wants myself to stuck on law. I not know why. I not want to talk at the moment because myself is buffer. I want to put lipstick. That is year 2018. Myself on Google search on phone, tends to search department of government, and then wants myself to write law, telling a body movement to myself of the right eye, and then being emphasized the circle on my life. And then, what is the vibes during that moment? Telling a body movement to myself while myself is sitting position on top of bed on my bedroom. Year 2018 that is. So what does it mean? I will just put lip shade. At the moment I am talking, the right eye is going at government to hunt Alex Jr. ko. Gold digger. Gold digger nga kasi. Gold digger is the girl gender. And then, why such this is I feel? A while ago, the prostitute, the GRO, the girl gender that is kabit, tends to use black magic, and then myself is such this. And then the GRO prostitute, kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is te- uh, throwing on myself black magic. Why? So that is year 2018 as well, the government. And then what is being emphasized on myself is El Nino and then La Nina. Why? Kaingin is what is being emphasized. What I feel is the land. The land, the color brown. And then such as power. The right eye is uh, has interest on the another in not what the word interest has such as on black magic body movement about it kaingin. I not know what it means. Why? And then may tao at the moment. What else year 2018? It is after that it is myself is being has panaginip dream. Myself is being put on sleep. While I am sleeping, panaginip flows. Panaginip flows. Beside from Google search of department and then kaingin, myself is being put on sleep. And then I will awake and then before myself awake, I will have a panaginip. That panaginip dream in English, talking. Sabi, the girl gender teenager says, kala ko ba patay ka na? Something such that. In English translation, I thought you was dead. Ganun. And then what the girl gender says, tiyaga-tiyaga lang. In English translation, mm, you tends to do body movement of hardship, something such that. Not the word hardship. Hardship there is. Working, tiyaga-tiyaga, long patience, such that. Myself is specific. When I say tiyaga-tiyaga, long patience there is. Descriptive is me, word per word. What else? I not know that location of the house. Myself is being put on panaginip and then they talk and then the opposite gender of girl indoor is artista, Philippine actor. Bagito, there is a Bagito. Actor on Bagito. What else could I say? They not stop on interfere on my mind. That is why I should talk. I have such this knowledge. I myself is being put on, not a knowledge that is, but what it is properness when it comes to government. Kabit is could not be kabit. I not want the word concubine. The word concubine is not third party on relationship. The concubine is being used to describe about baby. That is on the Holy Bible. The concubine word. The concubine is about baby being wrapped and then that is the description of it. It is not about the third party of which is lover relationship destroyer. That is why I not use the word concubine. What I use is kabit, Tagalog word. Pervert, kabit. That is good talking. The word concubine and then the description of myself. It is about the existence of baby being wrapped on fabric, and then what it is about is the band and binds. That is about the concubine word. The band meaning to say the existence of baby over in being unwrapped and then family. Concubine to this bond, and then the bind is the future of the baby. Being attached, something such that. Tawag sa publiye. I not want, that is lingers on my left forehead. I not want to say it because myself is behaved person. Nahimik ko. And then, it is being destroy of the bad person on the right eye. Oh, erotic days. I myself describe such that on concubine because I read of Holy Bible, word per word, such as slow motion. I not yet reading Holy Bible yet, continuing reading Holy Bible because of it flows the panaginip on my left left eye. And then uh, the scenery is happening of what is being an halibay bowl. Alex ko is on semi-bald head. And then payatot, slim body, not fat body. I not know. Timik ko. Hmm, Alex lover ko, civil engineer. Money essence on my life. I never think of where it is from. Seriousness. I am not bad person. The right ear is bad person. Does not want me to work. And then, I am not eager when it comes on to work. Myself is moderate. Hmm? Moderate. Talk. The definition of eager is such as puspusan sa pagtatrabaho. In English word, that is Tagalog word puspusan sa pagtatrabaho. In English word, busy mode on work, such as workaholic. I am not such that. Other is person thinking. Ay, ko. Lover ko, Alex ko. What else? The kabit this year 2025 is on body movement to kills me. Eagerness day is. The kabit talks on my right ear. Ay, na-use black magic. Technology of myself starts of usage is year 2022. On year 2019, year 2020 to 20. Oh, I should say that as well. College degree. My first phone is fourth year high school, 16-year-old. Samsung Galaxy Y. There is no internet, so meaning to say my usage of phone during the year 2012, 16-year-old is messages only. The next phone that I have during college degree, there is no Wi-Fi. I not use Wi-Fi because there is no Wi-Fi during my college degree. When it comes onto phone, my phone, my first phone is being robbed, being snatched of the bad person on jeepney. The second phone that I have is already year 2014. So, year 2012, I have phone, and then year 2014 is the next phone that I have. The next phone that I have year 2014 is Yak Kadiri. The the person that will be dead is talking on my ear. The next phone that I will the next phone that I have is year 2014 after year 2012 of such as I not use it on browses on YouTube, on Facebook, Messenger only, on Instagram, Messenger and then Instagram, year 2014. And then the next is Huawei, that is white color. The next is year 2015, year 2016. My phone is color blue Samsung. And then that phone has magnet on the back, meaning to say there is something attached on it. I not know what it is. I not open it yet. They say during year 2021 it is being say wait for the specific person to open it, sabi niya. That phone has magnet, meaning to say of magnet, there is being attached indoor inside. I not know what it is. Akin lang, akin. Why? Maybe that cellphone on the back is surprise on myself. I not know. Mine is mine. I I myself is what do you call this? Myself is keep it, just keep it, and myself keep it and then putting it on the box of it, of Samsung box. So when it comes into blue Samsung phone year 2015, year 2016, what myself is doing is playing on phone and then messenger. The next is, oh, I as well writes on blogspot.com. Connie Fifi is my name in there. This one. It is not messy when my about my situation. The kabit tends to put it on messy. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri, because she is criminal. But this is my name in there. Honey Fifi. I write a blog about business such as business to business, company to business to business, country to country, and then government to government. Not government to government, country to country. It is not yet finished. That is the title of it. Not yet finished. I will write it. I will write it. I not know when will I write when it comes onto such that blog, and then what you call that, persuasive. I not know. When it comes into writing, there is no age limit. If a person is passionable when it comes into writing, that is existence already of the person. On myself, they is putting me on they is putting me on killing so that myself be killed. Gold digger kasi yung kabit. Ano ba? And then the next is my recent phone. This phone that I am uses. What myself is doing. I am already on talking about of what is happening. It is such as the black magic of a person that putting me on Tenga mode is tends to be low. I not know. That is why I could talk. Thank ko. That is what myself is uh, observe because of they use black magic on the right eye, putting me on Tenga mode. What is being put on Tenga mode at the moment, this year 2025, they is on a situation of not wants me to have work. So meaning to say there is a specific person that benefits onto something that I not know, which is it should be mine. Mine is mine. I not know, lover ko Alex ko. When it comes onto inside of the house, this is the consistency that I wear. Tank tops it is. Tank tops. What else? I could hear the voice of Daniel. Daniel is bad person. Nakakadiri. What else could I say? Please help me naman no. They're doing on myself is not humanity. Not the person treatment. Humanity word is for those person that is being put on disaster of such as messy. The word is, if it is person, it is specific. That is my understanding about it. Humanity, person is messy. Being put on messy. Temiko, what else could I say? Myself is being returned. Uh, wait, I will just look at it. I just noticed this. Sometimes I not tends to do body movement inside of the house because I could feel their eroticness. Putting myself on such as muchacha. That is why I need to talk. Oh, they wants myself to be such as muchacha. I not know the reason. And then the equivalent of it is their eroticness. Libog, malibog. Do you know Lavinia on Princess Sarah? Such that. The facial expression. And then eroticness vibes. Oh, that is not excitement. That is hurting. nandidiri ako. Diyos kadiri when it comes into that. Natahimik ka. Hmm. Happy, happy! I like happy, happy. What else? I have a question. Year 2018. Why do I feel that there is person that interferes? Why? Alex Jr. ko when I cite it, year 2018 about this. What is that? Ang weird. Such this one. When I cite it, my camera video has day, month, and year. Alex Jr. ko during year 2018, talking on myself and inside of the classroom is brownish color. The brownish color is such this color, brown. And then, the person that talking when it comes into TUP, I cite it wearing color green t-shirt. It is such this. Why? Such this color. I feel dizzy. I don't know what it means. Timid ko. But my high school classmate is color brownish for a year. Even college degree at TUP, brownish as well. Brownish. Even during year 2017 that he is studying at TUP, brownish. Even during board exam, brownish. But suddenly there is, why? Hmm? Why kayo manggi? Is the anti-sun color? What does it mean? Wait lang. When I drink ice, when I drink cold water, it reduces the heatness on my right eye. I don't know why. Letter H, letter E, letter A, letter T, letter N, letter E, letter S, letter S. What does it mean when it comes to color? I not know. My memory from brownish color during year 2020, it is being on kayumanggi color. And then Alex Jr. ko brownish color tends to do something and then it returns to brownish color. Oh, that is what myself is about on talking already on year 2020. Why? I not know. My feeling is being get. Ayaw ko sa iba, Alex. Kabit malandi. Never ko, Alex ko. Since high school, pureness is me. Huwag ka dumikit sa akin. You is eroticness. And then my hita is my leg. My leg is being touched of grass on Batangas. Leaf is clingy. And then the effect of it on myself is such this. Something such this. Ganun. And then it is dark. Why do I say that? Because my myself has as well feeling when it is being touch of the grass, my leg. And then yet you is getting it on you getting my feeling on there's a black magic. Mine is mine. Ganun din if I touch the trunk. Mine is mine. Where to whom I saying that? To Kabit. Because of the word eroticness. Mine is mine. Diyos ko naman. And then she is targeting the hiking, the moment of myself to for us or stead. And then do not be clingy on myself because myself is proper. Oh, this one no, very wrong. I could feel Alex Jr. could does not want as well to other person. Nakakadiri kaya. It is so illness. Kadiri. Me and Alex Jr. ko is already on a situation of Alex Jr. ko like this. Kaya nga. And then touching. That is the doing during high school. Touching. On waist. On hand. On body. Himiko. Tahimik. I want to behave. Mine is mine. They is already on a situation of pampering and relaxation while myself is being put on low situation. That is why mine is mine. Ay, see? The other effect of it, my leg is inactive. Feeling on chest. Let me see. Oh, there is anger. Right eye, right ear. I should not talk about it. Oh, behave only, behave. That is what mine is mine. Not with them. Ew. Oh, it is good to feel. Ay, ko. That is mine. I wear tokong mid-length below the knee. As you can see. Oh, activeness that is about such as this one. On movie, it is such this. Wait lang. To show such this and then being such that. That is the mine is mine. And not boastful. I just remember it in here. I should not talk about it. I should not talk about it. I cite I cite a movie, Washington DC, and then they is such that as well. And then when myself is on grass, it is such that. Hmm. On myself, matinis. Matinis. Falsetto, that is. Na, no. I should not talk right about it. Focuses me on 7 year black magic, 8 year black magic already. Why? Mine is mine. I will have a baby. And then, that is not sadness. This is anger when I talk about it. Like then I'll be I'll talk on the 7 year black magic of what they're doing. The next is what? Trunk. The trunk is in here. And I want to talk about it. I should not talk about it. Yeah. But it is being get. Yeah, of the kabit. Mine is mine. Ayun. What about the traumatization on mine? I will talk about it. Wait, I just I just say a while ago about grass, and then now it is traumatization on mine. The first, the second traumatization, second count. The first count traumatization of myself is na on cue. I'm serious. No, that is the shame. That is shame. And what is on my right eye? That is not my body movement. Talk. Huh? Oh my God. smell of the grass, green, dinikdik, being grass is anywhere else. Kaya nga, tama, tapagkampihan. And then, other person as other person is not similar to each other. Kaya nga, mine is mine. No, tama, mine is mine. The 7 year black magic is what I will say. Where am I? Year 2018. Year 2017. On year 2017 about this. I'm not pervert. What about this one? This body movement and then myself will shake. That is not pervert. And then the next is this targeting my hygiene. Very wrong days. That is shame already. And then girl gender is putting me on bullying. The kabit number 2 wants myself to talk about my existence I not like. Why? Because she is getting of what is mine. I need to say the 7 year black magic, 8 year of black magic because she is killing me. That is why focus is me on 7 year black magic, 8 year black magic. Alex, bakit ka ganyan? Yung sarili mo nga cum laude eh. Ako, college degree, I have no honor. Why is you such that, Alex? Why getting of what is mine even though yourself is cum laude? It is unfair, not fair. Alex, myself is being killed of the bad person, oh. Kabit from University Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. I am from private school, Asia Pacific College. Alex, do something. Flirtious is not the answer about in here. 17 year na tayo, 16 year. The voice of the kabit is on pitch. And then the equivalent of it on myself is suffocation. I I not want asthma to my baby. She talks on my left ear at the moment. They saying my baby has asthma. They putting asthma on my baby. I am healthy. I have no asthma. That is why I am talking because myself is being killed. I will talk now. You 2018, what else? I already say about few scene year 2017 when it comes onto gadgets of what I am saying on my previous camera video. Myself during that moment is accountancy student and then number is million. The accounting book, the example, the instance indoor is million and then 100,000 to million or billion. That is myself being a student on accountancy. And then it is being get of bobo camouflage, putting it on black magic. I not know why. I feel scared because myself is healthy and then I not use black magic. What is being doing on the black magic of the bobo camouflage is feeling high. While myself during studying on college, accountancy is fast mode. Meaning to say of fast mode is computation, calculator. On reading, myself is slow motion, buffering, definition, critical thinking. Oh, the right eye says it is good when it comes down to the word relaxation at home. Oh, that is good. Truthfulness good. Relaxation, pampering. Because of that. What about Alex ko? Alex ko is working already, civil engineer. Not no. I am dalagang Filipina, I say. They hurt me. I am Catholic as well. King Alex ko. One count on this. Alex ko. I'll put this one. Not into put this. Mine is mine. Magic. Myself is on listo. Focus. Active. Wait lang. I will talk. Which one am I already on talking? You 2019. There is more to say. You 2019. What else could I say? In here already is me. Civil engineer ang next ko. Love life tapos 9 dar. Talking, imaginative. My love life to Alex Jr. ko ay not tends to do imagination except during year 2020. And then year 2021, year 2022, year 2023, year 2024, and 2025. I will put as well that on my privacy about grass. That is my feeling. They should not get it. Ew, another strategy of Kabit to escape on crime that she is doing. I will talk now about online shopping user. So year 2019, what I use is Altea, Lazada, and then Shopee. On Altea, I bought Vice Ganda Cosmetic. That is my first lip shade that I bought. And then the second is Lazada. I already say it year 2024. I am now on Shopee. When it comes onto Shopee, messy. Messy it is, and then shadow. Magulo. Magulo, Tagalog word and English word, messy. I feel shy. That is why I look in here. And then, on Shopee, what is being emphasized? Buffer, wait lang. Akin lang, akin. I could talk now. I could talk now. I could talk now. On Shopee, what is being emphasized is the P, letter E, letter E, and then ihi. Ihi is Tagalog word and English word P, such as on toilet. And then, is that double P and then letter E? That is my question. I'm Connie Ann. Connie Ann, is that letter S, letter H, letter O, letter P, letter P, letter E. The original. I not know why. That is myself when it comes onto I. And then when it comes onto P, letter E, letter E, it is such as on purpose. I not know about it. I'm not, I'm not getting it. I am saying my situation. And then there is no there is no badness when I use it, not just on Lazada. Badness that is on Lazada. Observation only that is on Lazada, not badness. On Shopee, there is no insight is myself. What is I like on Shopee? Zero, free shipping free. And then when it is Ninja Van and then what you call the other JNT, they tends to put it on 35. No on I, the only that letter S, letter H, letter O, letter P, letter P, letter E. I not know, tahimik ko. When myself is that spelling, I feel such this, something such that. Tahimik ko. And then, mm, online user, effect of online user on myself, such as natural, because of there is sari-sari store, natural. Myself is limit only when it comes to going at mall because of money. I have no feeling of high level. Yuck, not want them. I not want the bobo camouflage. I am not feeling high level. Not feeling high level. Yuck, not want them. On Shopee, when it is year 2023, there is anger that I use Shopee. That is why my username ID in there is abruptly, meaning to say tends to another username ID. Alex, myself will write about privacy wedding of you and myself. Is it being copy of the bad person? I wish talaga karma is on already on that person. Getting of what is mine is crime as well about it. They use black magic and then they is getting it. Please naman no. Bad person be dead. The right eye is thinking of to explore it on Black Magic daw. I not want that person is. Mine is mine. What else? Why there is anger when I use Shopee during year 2023? Year 2022 as well. Oh, it says on the right eye slapping on my of my ear. Why? Not no. What else could I say? Mm, what else? Ako lover ni Alex. Alex, can you not think? Or could you think? Maayos ka. Myself is being killed. Ang dali lang makipag-usap harap-harapan. Myself is thinking, the right eye is thinking tends to prolong. Hmm, I will talk. What else on Shopee? Precious Crucendico is putting me on traumatization year 2022. And then, they tends to ruin my Shopee being user. Why? I am on gold already in there about. But person be dead. Oh, it is such a somebody movement year 2022. No, year 2022 is sampal-sampal slapping on my ear starts. Year 2021 it is starts. But on body movement, such as they is the person that is slapping my ear. My ear such this. Excuse me, hindi ka gusto. Ako ni Ann, the talks, na want you. Ako ni Ann, the talks, hindi ka gusto. Iya ko marinig boses mo nakakadiri kayo. I will put it on the no love life to Alex Jr. ko. There is more that I could say that I should say. When it comes on to OTEP, Churva is what is being say. Wait, wait. My talking is they putting on black magic when it comes on to such this sequence. So what will I say? What if I will talk about the farm? Descriptive of it. Yeah, because my service being put on uh Messy when it comes into talking. Not the word messy. Lack information. Lack on information. Not enough information when it comes into that. There is something wrong talaga. For real, there is something wrong. What is the wrongness? When they is not on you. When they no 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 not the race. Wait lang. I wish talaga the person that talks at the moment 11 o'clock. This person on my right ear, I wish that this person be dead. The sun description when it comes onto the kabit, I will talk. I will talk. I will end my camera video at this hour, 1 hour and 14 minutes and 32 seconds.